Do you want to learn how I do this? Or maybe this? Or even this? Hey everyone, my name is Sylvia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I decided I'm going to be a fully open book and share with you guys all my video editing secrets. Ever since I started sharing my videos on YouTube, I feel like I've been showing some of these cool features, and I've gotten a lot of questions about what are your secrets, Sylvia? How do you do that? That's so cool. So I decided to, share those with you because why not? So the first tool that I usually use to put cool stuff in my videos is called videos. And I'm actually going to open up my laptop to actually show you the tools that I'm mentioning. All right, so we're now into videos, and videos is a tool that has a ton of cool video overlays, but also logo animations and some video mockups. So let me show you some of them. So for example, we have here these search bars. So if you want to do like a question part of the video, we can use this. I've used this one, for example, for my initial video title. I use this one a lot, you probably recognize it. And there's also like a lot of cool logo animations, like I said. You can put your name on a flag. You can do this one is quite fun as well. And let me show you the video mock-ups. I think it's in live action. So you can put, for example, your app on a phone and show it like that. You can have someone paint your logo on. You can have a bottle of wine if you sell that, or a pizza. I think the logo is below the pizza, yeah. You can have your logo on a cup of coffee if you're like working with a coffee brand. That would be so cool. You can have, I don't know, there's tons of cool things that you can put on your videos. This one's quite cool if you're having like a back and forth messaging on your video. This one, for example, is quite cool if you're having like a story time in your video or something like that. This one is printing your text and your logo. This one's probably painting on your logo. You get the drill. There's a lot of cool features like this on videos. And the great thing about it is that it's super easy to use. Trust me, like even the noobest noob would be able to use videos because you simply upload your logo to their site or your text and your colors and everything like that, and it generates a video for you, and then you can put it onto your video editor. Like it works with iMovie, Premiere, probably Final Cut. Anything that you're using to edit your video should work with the videos that you download from videos. Now the second tool that I like to use that's a little bit more robust is ENVATO Elements. I'm going to show you that now. All right, so we're now on ENVATO Elements, and this one, like I said, it's a bit more robust. It has stock videos, video templates that you can use with After Effects, Premiere, Final Cut, whatever it is that you're using. Again, you have music, both sound effects and music that you can actually use in the background of your videos. You have graphic templates. I'm not sure what this is. Apparently you have templates for websites and infographics, all that fun stuff. You also have graphics. I also don't use this a lot, but apparently you probably have like social media templates or something like that for cover images or actual posts. Honestly, this has a ton of stuff and I've only scratched the surface. You have presentation templates, stock photos as well, fonts, and other miscellaneous stuff. Honestly, I use this especially for video templates and sound effects and music, but I've also been trying to use some stock video incorporated in my videos, so ENVATO is really, really cool for that. And honestly, you can just get lost in it. The only two downsides I would say to ENVATO versus videos is that one, it's a membership thing. You have to pay every single month. I believe it's like 15 euros or $15, around that range. So it's not too expensive, but with videos, you pay once and you have lifetime access to it. I believe they also have a subscription based, so you get like updated templates But yeah, with ENVATO, it's subscription based, and also, like I said, it's a bit more robust, and these text templates and overlays for videos and video templates can be a little bit more complicated to use if you don't have a video editor like Premiere or After Effects, and if you're not fully familiar with those. And last but not least, a video editor. Video editors save you so much time and so much effort, and I'm so thankful to have my boyfriend actually editing my videos. Full disclaimer, like, I used to edit my own videos and I love video editing. I've edited videos for like 10 plus years now, but it does take a crap load of time. And I have other stuff to do. I have clients to manage and everything like that. So outsourcing that was a no-brainer. He does a great job as well, or at least I like to think so. Let me know in the comments if you like my videos edited by my boyfriend. I mean, the ones that I edited were probably up until May of last year. I honestly don't remember. Time is a blur. And yeah, I mean, like I said, don't get me wrong, I love video editing and I actually offer it as a service, but it was just a smart decision. I highly recommend, if you're putting out video content on the regular and you have a little bit of money to spare in your budget and you're very busy yourself, to think about hiring a video editor. You can even do a test run to see if you like their editing style. But trust me, it'll save you so much time because one, they probably can do it a lot faster than you, and two, we tend to be so nitpicky. At least I do, because I'm a very big perfectionist. But we tend to be so nitpicky with our own videos, and we're too close to the subject. It's hard, guys. So honestly, having an outsider edit your videos may be the best idea you've ever had, because they probably won't see every single mistake that you see, and your videos will be probably even more natural and conversational because you're not going to be cutting out every single piece of crap. Let me know if you're a perfectionist like me in the comments, so let me not feel so alone. So yeah, as a recap, we have number 1, videos, where you can do cool logo animations or text animations or anything like that for your videos. Number 2, we have ENVATO elements if you're looking for something a little bit more robust with stock videos and stock images and sounds and everything like that. And number 3, if you're putting out content regularly and you're very busy and you have a little bit of a budget to spare, I highly recommend you hire a video editor so you can save time and maybe even put out some more videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave me a like and a comment down below, and also subscribe so you don't miss out on my next one. I post every single Friday, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye!